Happy birthday smoke alarm.
Nick, blow it out. I'm gonna blow it out. Shh. I'm gonna blow it out when it says.
When it's done.
I'm getting nervous. I'm getting nervous.
Don't be nervous.
I'm getting nervous.
Don't be nervous.
Blow it out! Fan it. Get a thing.
It's like so terrible.
So much. So much. Turn the vent. Open the window. Open the window. Open the window. Open the window. The vent's on. The vent's on. Wait, Matt, open that window. Okay.
Chris, run it underwater. Take the
So much smoke. It's fine. That.
your foot.
Oh, my shoe squeaked. I thought it was a smoke alarm. Matt, if you stop fanning, you gotta cue me in.
You stop elbowing me? We're good. Let me let this one cook.